how to build on this mindset? Let me take you back. Let me take you back to a stage in your life when you were a kid and you were just learning cycling. So before you learned cycling, you didn't even know what cycles were, right? When you were very, very small. Since you learned cycling and you understand it, now you all first, before you knew what a cycle was, you were unconsciously incompetent. And then you decided one day, oh, I want to learn cycling. And then you asked your parents to put you, or your dad to put you, or your best friend to hold you. And then you started cycling. And then what happened? Oh, you knew, I don't know cycling. I can't cycle. Hold me, hold me, hold me. That was what you used to be keep selling, right? And telling the person behind you, don't leave me, don't leave me. I'm cycling, but don't leave me. And then what happened? One fine day, the person behind, without your consent, leaves you, and unconsciously you learn conscious competence. And this is exactly the stage where you have to come. Where it comes to your trading plan, where it comes to your trading system, you need to be consciously competent that yes, I have a system, I have the method, this is what works, and I'm doing it. And when you keep on doing this repeatedly, bang on, you keep on doing this, you develop what we call unconscious competence. And this unconscious competence is the one which is, where you can do things. Now you're riding a bike and you don't even realize. You've crossed signals, you don't even realize. So what am I trying to tell you? This is the stage at which you will come from, consciously competent to unconsciously competent. You can ask your spouse, your wife, whoever is cooking also. Sometimes they cook and they don't even realize that they, how they've done it. So, because they've done it so much and they're talking on their mobile and they're, cooking at the same time and they're doing maybe 2-3 other things. And that's how unconscious competence is developed. Once unconscious competence is developed, that's when your mindset becomes strong.